I put this post up on Facebook a little while back, and it was about this notion that seems to be so prevalent in society that respect is earned. You know, this idea that you have to earn someone's respect. And I was thinking about this a while ago, in that if you have to do something to earn someone's respect, then really that other person is saying that I'm not worthy of their respect until I do something that proves I'm worthy. And if I flip that around and I start projecting that message to people, you've got to earn my respect, boy, you've got to earn my respect, girl, it means that I'm saying that I'm not going to give you my respect, I'm going to hold on to my respect until you do something that is subjectively of value to me, something that I perceive to be worthy of releasing this respect to you. And it got me thinking that, man, that is actually a really, really limiting way of being. It's like, I got